Good morning everyone, this is Tiff and today I'd just like to share with you a few beautiful journal covers that I've been creating. Well, I think they're beautiful, you might tell me otherwise. So this one I've just collaged using various different papers. I also make these beautiful tassels that go on the side as well. So you can use up all your scraps on these, pretty much anything goes, and just have fun with it. So that's the first one. Okay, the second one is quite pretty for a little girl's album, or it still has that vintage feel to it though, so it can be used for many different things, only limited to your imagination. This is a cute little one, Our Story, and this was just made out of the box that my printer ink came in, and I quite like them because they're like the perfect size. So you can fit quite a few signatures in that one, and it's nice and sturdy as well. So I didn't do too much to the outside, I think the material speaks for itself, and I'll be doing some tutorials on how to make the covers as well. Okay, these I just use file folders to make these covers with. Cut them to size and you've got yourself a journal cover. Alright, various different pages. Bringing them all together. Stickers I use as well, just whatever I've got left over. Washi tape in my stash. And make yourself a beautiful journal cover. Okay. Memories. I might just stick to journal from now on, just so that it's more standard for people. Because when it just says journal, then you can pretty much use it for anything then. Alright, another collage one. Had heaps of fun doing those. And this is a little bit of an eclectic one. No real sort of theme, just using up all my scraps. Little doily in there. Alright, and this one I really like. This was with my bohemian fabric. I covered the larger journal in as well, but this is just a cute little one. And I like that it just says Hidden Joy. Can you see the sparkles on that? Alright. And then I just use some of my coffee dyed baking paper on the inside there, so it gives it a nice crackly effect. And the back. And the front again. So if you like any of these, I will be giving a tutorial on how to make them, so as mentioned, stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment next time. Thanks guys, bye for now.